In 5 days, I rode 2,823 miles. It truly was a testament to the saying, if there's a will, there's a way. Even only a few hours of sleep could not quell my excitement for the lone wolf ride the following morning. Women who braved the event in solitude joined forces led by Taylor of Fast Babes to witness just a taste of what the New York Catskills had to offer. Blue skies and green as far as the eye can see. Buildings and homes so old, built in towns on land that was first settled in the 1700s. The energy of this area was so heavy it could anchor a ship. We cruised down the 97 that ruled over the Delaware River, past the Hawk's Nest, which needs no explanation of why it's such a hit with the local motorcyclists. The Riverside Creamery in Port Jervis served a little bit of everything you'd want on a Saturday morning. It was there I connected with Tessa. This cool cat from San Francisco rode all the way on her hard-mounted Sportster. A feat I don't think even hardcore fellows would take on. Tessa, you've got my highest respect. While I wish I had photos with everyone I met that weekend, they will forever be in my memories. Moto Blonde, Whit Mesa, Gabby Hoover, Send It Steph, Biker Babe Beth, Moto Leisha, Sarah, Tanya, Seven, Parker the Coyote, Annette Motobiker, Queen Sit, Her Two Wheels, and Captain Anna. Thank you for your kindness. My gratitude is ineffable. Sunday morning. Amidst the chaos of women packing and bikes warming up, I quickly packed my gear and left without goodbyes. My chest swelled. I really couldn't speak. Before I reached the main road, my vision blurred with tears. I cried for miles, heavy with joy sadness, hope, and ignorance of what was to come next. For me, this journey was not over. And somehow that day I put down over 900 miles. From New York to Iowa. But there was still almost 2,000 miles before I was home again. The following days would not be so easy nor so kind. What you're watching is footage from my last stretch home leaving Salt Lake City. The 2 previous days were spent drenched in sweat, trenching through the rain I so desperately tried to avoid. Exhaustion caught up in its most devilish form, and the Sandman left me unable to keep my eyes open. I napped at a rest stop somewhere between Iowa and Nebraska before becoming a danger to myself. My chances through Wyoming were no such brighter, as over 40-mile-per-hour gusts kept me and my Harley sideways. Wyoming passes no judgment and shows mercy to none. This 4th and final leg of my ride would prove to be the greatest test of my entire trip. Between the towns of Carlin and Battle Mountain in Nevada, there's about 50 miles, but no gas station. 176 miles is what the Dyna Lowrider tank can do if you're ever feeling the itch.
Oh my God. Oh man. I can't believe I made that.
These are the last clips on my GoPro from this trip. In Nevada, I hit crosswinds so strong, my choices were to slow down or be blown off the road. Approaching my final gas stop in Sparks, Nevada, the wind eased, but the clouds grew dark. I threw on my winter pants and set my heated jacket on blast. This, however, would be no match for the cold I was about to face. As I crossed the border into California, it began to rain. Whatever, I thought, I'm almost home. The green forest mountains looked beautiful as could be, as pieces of sun peeked through stormy clouds, a sight I will never forget. In Truckee, the temperature plummeted to a frosty 40 degrees. My tires felt like ice skates, but the last thing I wanted to do was slow down. It was only going to get colder. I could not feel my hands or feet. My knees ached and my face froze as I rode with an open visor to prevent fog. That Harley Dyna absolutely ripped me down the mountain. Fully loaded in third gear, we throttled past cars, trucks, and out of corners like the final act of a ballet. Not once did this warhorse fail me. I'm still in awe of the reliability of Harley-Davidsons, but I'm a firm believer in preventative maintenance over repair. (5,707 miles). California to New York and back. 5 days there, 4 days back. 11 days total. I hope these videos inspire you to take a journey of your own, to put yourself past your comfort zone, to do something worth looking back on. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy this video series and would like to support my channel for absolutely free, please leave a like and share this with someone you would want to join you on your next epic motorcycle adventure. If you'd like to give me that extra spicy love, for $1 a month, you can access my Patreon videos like this before they're on YouTube and support my future motorcycle shenanigans. Every dollar helps, and your love is greatly appreciated. Thank you to my current patrons for making this video and for everyone taking the time to subscribe and watch. I'll see you guys in the next one.